Hello, amazing kids! Welcome to our Veggie Adventure Show. Here, we meet the superstars of the garden. From crunchy carrots to mighty broccoli, from spicy chili to sweet potatoes. Every veggie has a story, a power, and a surprise. So buckle up, open your ears, and let's explore the colorful, tasty, and healthy world of vegetables together. Salad with sparkles. Potato. Hello kids, meet the potato. The underground superstar. It hides in the soil but comes out to fill our plates with fries, chips, and mash. Soft, fluffy, and comforting, it's one of the most loved veggies in the world. Farmers grow it in fields and it pops up in countless tasty dishes. It gives us energy because it's packed with carbohydrates. Did you know? Potatoes also have vitamin C for a healthy body. So next time you bite a crunchy fry, thank the potato for its magic. Tomato. Say hi to the juicy red tomato, the sunshine veggie. It's round, soft, and full of tangy flavor that makes food exciting. Tomatoes love hanging on vines until they're ready to be picked. You'll find them in sauces, salads, soups, and even ketchup bottles. They're rich in vitamin C, keeping your immune system strong. They also have lycopene, a super nutrient that protects your body. Tiny or big, raw or cooked, tomatoes always bring color and health. Onion. Onions are the veggie that might make you cry, but only happy tears. They wear papery skin on the outside, hide in juicy, crunchy layers inside. You'll find them sizzling in pans, giving food that yummy smell. They grow underground just like potatoes, but taste very different. Onions are filled with antioxidants that help fight sickness. They also keep your heart strong and your body clean. So, even if your eyes water, onions are your kitchen hero's carrot. Bright orange and crunchy, here comes the carrot. It grows under the ground, waiting to be pulled out. Bunnies love it, and so do kids. It's sweet and snappy. Carrots go into soups, salads, cakes, and even juices. They're famous for vitamin A, which keeps your eyes sharp. They also give you fiber for a happy tummy. So munch a carrot and you'll feel strong and bright like sunshine. Cabbage. Cabbage is like a big green ball made of crunchy leaves. It grows close to the ground, wrapped tightly like a present. You can eat it raw in salads or cooked in stews and rolls. Cabbage is full of vitamin K, which helps your blood stay healthy. It also has vitamin C for strong immunity. This veggie is a tummy filler and keeps you energized. Cabbage proves that leaves can be powerful food. Cauliflower. Cauliflower looks like a snowy white treetop. It's crunchy and mild, perfect for cooking in many ways. You can roast it, mash it, fry it, or even turn it into rice. It's loaded with vitamin C, helping you fight off colds. It also gives fiber, keeping digestion smooth. Some even call it the white broccoli because they're cousins. Cauliflower shows us that healthy food can be fun and versatile. Spinach. Spinach is the leafy green hero Popeye loved. Its soft green leaves make salads, soups, and smoothies powerful. It grows in bunches, spreading energy through its chlorophyll. Spinach is full of iron, which makes your muscles strong. It also gives vitamins A and C to keep your eyes and skin healthy. Eating spinach makes you feel active, light, and smart. So don't skip spinach. It's small but mighty. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a tiny green forest. Each floret is a tree packed with vitamins and fiber. You can steam it, roast it, or dip it in sauces for fun. It's high in vitamin C and vitamin K for strong bone and health. It also has antioxidants that protect your body. Some kids call it green cauliflower, but it's even more powerful. Broccoli proves that green can be delicious. Cucumber. Cool, crunchy cucumber is like nature's water bottle. It's light, juicy, and refreshing on hot sunny days. You can eat it raw in salads or just munch it with a smile. Cucumber skin is full of vitamins and minerals. It keeps you hydrated because it's mostly water. It also helps your skin glow and stay fresh. So, cucumbers are nature's way of keeping you cool and healthy. Zucchini. Zucchini is a long, green veggie that hides many surprises. You can grill it, bake it, or even turn it into noodles. It's soft inside with a gentle taste kids often like. Zucchini is packed with vitamin A and potassium. It's light but filling, keeping your tummy happy. It grows fast in summer gardens, almost like magic. Zucchini shows how fun and flexible veggies can be. Peas. Say hello to the little green pearls. Peas. They hide in pods, waiting to pop out like tiny treasures. Sweet and soft, they're perfect in soups, rice, and curries. Peas are full of protein to make your muscles grow. They also carry vitamins A, C, and K. Peas are tiny but pack a big healthy punch. Every pod is a gift filled with green goodness. Capsicum. Colorful capsicums are like rainbow bells in the garden. They come in red, yellow, green, and orange coats. Crunchy and juicy, they brighten up salads and stir-fries. Capsicum is rich in vitamin C to boost your immunity. It also has antioxidants that protect your eyes. They're sweet, tasty, and fun to eat raw or cook. Capsicums prove that veggies can be bright, tasty, and cheerful. Eggplant. Eggplant wears a shiny purple jacket. It's soft inside and turns creamy when cooked. You'll find it in curries, grills, and even dips like baba ganoush. Eggplant has fiber to keep your tummy happy. It also has vitamins and antioxidants for good health. Farmers love growing it because it's strong and colorful. Eggplants remind us that purple is not just pretty, it's healthy too. Lettuce. Lettuce is a crispy, leafy bed of every salad. It's light, fresh, and full of water. Lettuce grows quickly, spreading soft green leaves. It keeps you hydrated and refreshed on hot days. It also gives fiber and vitamins for good digestion. You'll find it in burgers, sandwiches, and wraps. Lettuce is a cool crunch that makes every meal fun. Celery. Celery is a tall, green stalk with a big crunch. It's fresh, juicy, and often eaten as a snack. Dip it in peanut butter or cheese for extra yum. Celery has lots of water, keeping your body cool. It also gives vitamins K and C for health. Its crunch is like nature's music while you munch. Celery proves that snacks can be both fun and healthy. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is the golden giant of the garden. It's big, round, and sometimes carved into spooky faces on Halloween. Its sweet, soft flesh makes soups, pies, and roasted treats. Pumpkin seeds are crunchy and packed with goodness too. It's rich in vitamin A for sharp eyes and glowing skin. Pumpkin also gives you energy and keeps you full. This giant veggie is both tasty and powerful. Chili. Chili is a fiery little veggie with a big punch. It can be red, green, or yellow, but always spicy. Just a little bit can heat up a whole dish. Chili is full of vitamin C to boost your health. It also wakes up your taste buds like fireworks. Be careful though, it's not for every kid's tongue. Chili proves that even tiny veggies can be mighty. Radish. Radish is the crunchy veggie with a peppery bite. It's round or long, usually red, white, or purple. Radishes grow fast under the soil, like little surprises. They're full of vitamin C for strong immunity. They also help digestion and keep your body clean. Radishes are often eaten raw in salads for a zingy taste. This small root veggie brings freshness to every bite. Okra. Okra is long, green, and shaped like a finger. Inside, it has tiny seeds and a sticky texture when cooked. Okra makes stews, curries, and even crispy fries tasty. It's full of fiber, helping your tummy stay happy. Okra also has vitamin C and K for health. Farmers love it because it grows quickly in warm weather. Okra shows that unique shapes can be yummy too. Asparagus. Asparagus is a tall, green spear from the garden. It looks fancy, but it's very healthy. You can roast it, grill it, or steam it for meals. Asparagus is packed with folate, which helps your body grow. It also gives fiber and vitamins for energy. Its taste is mild, gentle, and easy to enjoy. Asparagus is like nature's spear of strength. Leek. Leeks look like giant green onions. They have white bottoms and long leafy tops. Their flavor is gentle, making soups and pies delicious. Leeks are rich in vitamins A and K. They also help keep your heart strong. They grow tall in the garden, standing proud and fresh. Leeks remind us that even gentle flavors can be powerful. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is the orange cousin of the potato. It's sweet, soft, and loved in fries, pies, and bakes. This root grows under the soil just like its cousin. It's full of vitamin A for super eyesight. It also gives energy and keeps your tummy full. Sweet potatoes are tasty and healthy at the same time. They prove that sweetness can be natural and good. Garlic. Garlic is a little white bulb with a big flavor. It grows underground, wrapped in papery skin. Garlic makes food smell amazing and taste even better. It's full of natural medicine that fights sickness. Garlic keeps your heart and immune system strong. You'll find it in soups, sauces, and almost every dish. Garlic shows that small things can make a huge difference. Wow, kids, what an adventure we had today. We met crunchy, colorful, and powerful veggies, each one a hero on your plate. Remember, eating vegetables makes you strong, smart, and full of energy. So next time you see a carrot, a potato, or even a broccoli, say hello, take a bite, and let the veggie magic grow inside you. Thanks for joining our veggie fun, and don't forget, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring with us next time.